You can import PlantUML Sequence Diagram into Visual Paradigm and using the AI engine to further refine it. Here is the sequence diagram in PlantUML. Let's copy the code. Switch to Visual Paradigm desktop application. Go to Tools, Apps. Enter the word sequence in search box to locate the sequence diagram refinement tool. Paste in the PlantUML sequence diagram code by either pressing Ctrl+V on keyboard or using the paste button at the top right. Press Render Diagram button to render it into diagram. Here is the diagram generate from PlantUML diagram code. Press the Import to Visual Paradigm button to import this diagram into our current Visual Paradigm desktop project. Besides import the diagram from PlantUML, we can also refine it with the AI engine. Switch back to the AI apps and press the Decompose Layers button. The AI engine will then analyze your diagram and helps to find out the view and model objects. Here are the view and model objects being identified. We can then press the Generate Detailed Diagram button to let the AI engine generate the detailed sequence diagram for you. Here is the detailed diagram. As you can see, the diagram now is in the MVC level. Again, we import this diagram into our current Visual Paradigm desktop project for further editing in model-based approach. Hope you will found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.